Hi, let me show you always how you can take screenshot and as well as launch screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A36. First way is using buttons. So we are gonna press power button with volume down button. So find those two buttons and press them together and you'll see that screenshot will be taken immediately. Let's do it again. And here it is. You can immediately edit this screenshot, for example, crop or draw something on that screenshot, share it to any social media, and save to your gallery. Now we can also do the screenshot with the help of quick settings. So swipe down from top right corner to trigger it. Then here swipe down as well and find feature taken screenshot. If you cannot see it in this list, then tap pen icon for editing. Click here on the edit button and tap on take screenshot feature to add this one to your control center. And now we can just tap it once and if in few seconds screenshot will be taken. So as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. The third way is with the help of palm swipe to capture feature. So you can just swipe with the help of edge of your palm across the screen and take screenshot with this way. To activate, go in settings, then find advanced features and select motion and gestures. After that, you need to just find this feature, palm swipe to capture, and make sure that it is turned on so the switch is blue. And now you can swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. Number 5 is with the help of assistant menu. So we are gonna go in accessibility. From here, pick interaction and dexterity and enable assistant menu by tapping on the switch. Now you can tap on the menu, tap on screenshot, and it will be taken as well. You can also go in items, and here you can remove not needed items and leave just the screenshot. So I'm gonna leave just the screenshot and save changes. And now when we'll press this button, screenshot will be taken immediately. I'm gonna turn that off, go back, and number 6 is edge panels. So we are gonna go in display and make sure to turn on edge panels. Then go in panels, tap to edit list of apps, and make sure to select AI select feature. After that, you can swipe inwards like that, tap on AI select, draw around something you want to capture, and then tap this arrow to save that screenshot in your gallery. Now, the last one is with the help of Bixby or Google Assistant. So if you activated Bixby or Google Assistant, which you can do through settings, so just find your Bixby and make sure to turn it on. So make sure to select either Hi Bixby or just Bixby. And now we can ask her to take screenshot. Hi Bixby, take screenshot. And as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. And now I'm gonna show you different type of screenshot, which is scrolling screenshot. For that, you need to open any app in which you can scroll, for example, settings, or open any web page. Now take screenshot with the help of any way I showed you. And then you should see this arrow, which you can tap to continue capturing the whole page. And in this preview screen, you will see that screenshot got bigger and bigger. And you can do this till the end of the page. Then tap on the screenshot, open with gallery. And this is how it will look. So we just captured whole settings. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.